Hi everyone, welcome to our channel where learning Java becomes fun, simple and crystal clear. Today we are learn one of the most confusing topic for beginners, which is JDK, JRE and JVM, and also difference between JDK, JRE and JVM. Trust me, once you get this, Java will start making total sense. You will finally understand how your code actually runs behind the scenes. Before jumping towards, first understand why do we even need these. Imagine it's the early days of programming. You could write code, but running in on different computers was tedious process. Each system had its own way to execute programs. Then came Java with a genius idea, which is called write once and run anywhere, which is called Vora. That's possible only because of these three JDK, JRE, and JVM. Let's break them down with a simple example. Think of Java like a car manufacturing system. The JDK is like the factory where cars are designed and built, where JRE is like the showroom where ready cars are displayed and run. The JVM is the engine that actually runs the car. So let's explore each part one by one. JVM. The JVM stands for Java Virtual Machine, is responsible for executing Java programs. When we write Java code and compile it, it doesn't directly run on your machine. Instead, it gets converted into something called the bytecode, which the JVM reads and executes. For example, if you write your program on Windows and your friends run it on Linux, both systems can execute the same bytecode as long as they have their own JVM. So bytecode is platform independent, but JVM is platform dependent. Means that because every operating system needs its own version of this JVM. How JVM works means that execution process that our Java application follows. First one is loading. The class loader loads.class file means that bytecode into the memory. After that, linking come into the picture. Linking verifies and prepare classes for execution. Initialization executes static blocks and initializes variables. Execution, the JVM interprets or compile bytecode into machine code using a JIT, means just in time compiler. It also manages memory performance, garbage collection and ensures security. JRE. Now that we know how the JVM works, let's talk about the JRE. The JRE means Java Runtime Environment. It provides the environment to run Java programs. It includes the JVM and all the standard libraries required during program execution. In simple word, if JVM is the engine, then JRE is the entire car setup, including the engine, fuel, wheels, everything needed to make the car run smoothly. What's inside JRE? The JVM class libraries like java.lang package, java.util package, etc. supports file and runtime components. But remember this, the JRE cannot compile or debug Java programs. It's only used for running them. So if you are an end user and you want to run Java application like Minecraft or business app, you only need the JRE, not the JDK. JRE working flow. There are three steps in JRE to work Java program. Loads the compiled means dot class file means bytecode, verifies it for security and correctness, and executes. Uses JVM to execute the instruction. That's it. Your Java program runs successfully. JDK. The JDK means Java Development Kit. It is a complete software development kit used to build, compile, and debug Java programs. It includes both the JRE to run programs and development tools to create program. What's inside JDK? JRE means JVM plus libraries, development tools, and Java C means Java compiler, jar for packaging tools, Java doc for documentation, debugger to find errors. So JDK, we can say JDK equal to JRE plus complete tools. JDK in action. Write code means create Java world.java with your favorite IDE means that editor like IntelliJ. After that compile. JDK's compiler with the help of Java C and converts into bytecode means hello world.class file. After that execute. JRE runs the bytecode using JVM. Output appears on the screen. We can say JDK helps you create Java program, JRE helps you run them, and after that JVM helps you execute them. Just now we will understand the comparison between them. JDK, purpose of JDK is develop Java application, JRE run the Java application, and after that JVM. Purpose of JVM is to execute Java bytecode. JDK includes JRE plus development tools. JRE has JVM plus libraries. After that, JVM includes class loader, just in time compiler, and after that, garbage collector to remove object that not used throughout the program. JDK in the sense of platform is operating system dependent, and JRE is also operating system dependent, but JVM is a operating system specific for different operating system has different JVM. JDK is used for writing and compiling code. JRE is used for running Java programs, and JVM execute bytecode. Let's understand with the help of real world example. Imagine Amazon software development process, like understand JDK, same working as developer team where writing and building the code, creating new features. JRE means testing environment where the application are running and tested before deployment. JVM like server engine executing the final application for millions of users. Important notes. Who needs what? For developer purpose, only use JDK. Includes everything, means JRE and JVM also. For end user, need only JRE just to run the app. JVM core engine for execution. So that platform dependency, JDK, JRE and JVM are all platform dependent, whereas you need the right version for Windows, Linux or Mac. Platform independence means Java bytecode itself is platform independent, means right ones run anywhere. At last, understanding JDK, JRE and JVM is like understanding the heart, body and brain of Java. They work together to make our Java powerful, secure and platform independent. Alright friends, that's for all today's session. I hope you found this video helpful and learned something new about Java. And I have attached a PPT link in the video's description below. Go and check it out. If you found value in this video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to this video. Your one click really motivates me to bring more clear and concise video for you. Thank you.